Okay, so one of the aspects we have to do with our page is we have to make sure we're posting content to our page. Um, when Facebook sees content being regularly posted, they actually really like that. So we want to make sure we're doing that. There's a way we can do it automatically, and I'm going to show you a tool that I recommend quite a bit. So let's go here, and let's go to ppc-coach.com/FP traffic. FP is Facebook page, traffic. So that's my affiliate link. You can go through that and then I'll make a little commission when you sign up, or you can go direct. Okay. If you go direct, it's just fptraffic.com. So this is what I use in order to schedule posts, and I can schedule them out quite a bit. I've been using this for years and years and years, and I've recommended this to hundreds of people. So it's really good. So all you need to do is go down here and connect your page and get started. And it does cost $9.99 a month, but it's the best $10 you'll spend every month, guaranteed. There's a lot of other powerful stuff it does, but the stuff I use it for is mainly just posting. So you go to member login, and then you find your page. So let's do that. So I've got my page right here. I've got like tons of pages in here, so I had to pause it while I loaded. If you go, the first step you need to do is find your page. It'll hook it up automatically. And then right here under page schedule, just right click, open that in a new tab. We're going to set the times. This is a one-time thing that we're actually going to post. So I'm going to do like 3 times a day. I do 8, 12, 8 usually. So 8 in the morning, noon, 8 at night, then click save. One other thing, see this little Chrome extension I've got up here, FP Traffic? You're going to need this in order to add content very easily. And the way you get that is go to the guides, and then it's right here. This part, how to use the FP Traffic Chrome extension, shows you exactly step by step how to install it and download it and use it. But I'm going to walk you through real quick how I use it. So now I've got that installed, I've got the schedule ready to go, so now I have to get some actual posts on there. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to Pinterest. I'm just going to find stuff to do with family and necklaces and jewelry and all. Oh, hello. That's nice. Anyway, so we'll do this. Necklaces, or we'll do, this is even better. If you do quotes, they get shared quite a bit and people comment on them all the time. So you see a whole bunch come up, and I want to post these to my page automatically, like I don't want to do it. So what I'll do is click this little button, then you see this yellow circle comes up. Now it's 0 of 14 images selected, but as I scroll down, you'll see that it picks up more and more and more. So I'm going to keep scrolling. If I'm doing 3 posts a day, then that's 90 per month. So if I want to set up like 2 months worth of posts, I just scroll through to 180 images selected. So if I keep scrolling, and notice I'm not being picky at all with what's in there, because I can delete stuff later if I don't want it to show on my posts. So I do select all, and then I click the blue button, and this thing pops up. So these are all the links. So I do Control A, Control C, I just select all. Then I'll go back here to URLs. I just click it. It'll take me right in, and then I'll choose my page here, like so, family time. And all I do is paste that in, click on schedule, and now it says success, your images have been successfully posted. So now when I go back here and I go to scheduled posts, I'll open that in a new tab, you'll see all those images are now ready to go on a schedule to my page. So everything on there, which is really, really good. This will get up a lot of interaction, and the whole point of doing this is to make it an active page in Facebook size, and I'm out all the way out till April 14th at 8 o'clock. It makes it an active page in Facebook size, and then they're going to reward you with lower ad costs overall. So there's a second aspect to this that we're going to attach. That's a necessary evil, so I'll show you that very quickly too. And actually in the next video I'll show you that. Alright, so go ahead and start posting content to your page. If you don't want to use FP traffic, you could do it manually, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. You see how fast they did that? And I've got 2 months worth of posts going to my page now. So it's a super powerful tool. There's a lot of other stuff you can do with it, but that's what I mainly use it for. And you saw I've got a ton of pages on here too. Okay, all my pages are on here actually. So it's a good program. I know the guy who owns it. He's a good guy, trustworthy, and I highly recommend this program.